It was a very big decision, I guess.
Very big. And as you
Yeah.
guys might have seen from the the videos that we have been posting, it's been taking long time to post the videos, and we both have been busy a lot, and there were some things that happened behind the scene also. So we did took this decision like with a lot of thinking
Yeah,
behind
okay.
it. We just didn't took it like immediately. I mean,
Mm-hmm.
it's been a 1.5 months since we have posted
Since
last
we
time.
posted, yeah, yeah,
So
yeah, yeah.
there was, and our videos were also getting a lot delayed. So we did took decision. We
And
decided
also the fact that a lot of our videos were blocked.
blocked,
We
and
have a
every video
lot
is
of
copyrighted.
reactions.
Every video is
Yeah.
copyright claimed. So we have finally took the decision to get it over with one thing. It's just
All
lingering.
this copyright frustration we have right
Yeah,
now, we have
yeah,
to
it's
get
just
over with it.
lingering in our head all the time.
So, legit.
So we decided to open our Patreon. We
Oh
did
my
that.
god.
Oh, don't worry, we are not going anywhere.
Not leaving anywhere.
We are not leaving this soon.
Yes,
But,
we are opening
our
our
Patreon.
Patreon.
Woo! We
That
have
means
already opened our Patreon.
that means you can watch our reactions on BL series exclusive full episode.
And
Woo!
don't worry, prices will be really low. We will not keep the
Really,
prices.
really
We
love.
just did this just because our all videos were getting blocked. We
Copyright,
shot
yeah.
4 episodes and all of them got blocked. So it's
And
like
we have at least 10 series
10
reactions in
series
our
reactions
files,
pending
but we cannot post it
that we
anywhere.
can't post it.
You
But
know what is more exciting? We literally have GMMT 2025 lineup
whole
ready.
lineup,
And
we
the
have whole
reactions
lineup ready.
are worth watching, but we cannot just because of the copyright.
And we have the live reaction. We gave the
Oh my
live
god.
reaction to the whole GMTV
When the
lineup.
whole event was live on the YouTube, that time we gave our
I
reactions,
have the
and
whole
those
two
are
hours.
raw.
I have two
Yes,
hour word of
like
that
I can
series.
bet on anything. You will never see this type of reactions anywhere
Ever.
on this channel.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it was
I can
crazy.
be that confident.
Yeah, and we will be putting a lot of efforts. We will be reacting to most of the series now since we are allowed
So
to.
happy. So
Finally,
now,
GMMTV coming in the show.
sure. So now we are finally open to JMT shows. Whatever shows you want us to react, which are very interesting, drop in the comments.
GMMTV, Domundi, Chinese, Korean, whatever, Taiwanese, Japanese, whatever you
Any,
want.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Whatever you want. Whatever
But
you
also
want.
a small note on this, if you guys are recommending us, suggesting us the series, and if you have already seen this behind the scene, I don't think we are going to react to it again, because it won't be genuine, it won't be real, because we already know the plot, already know everything. So you guys do drop the names, and
We will
anything
respond
which
to each
we
and
haven't,
everyone.
yeah, we'll discuss, and the series, if we haven't watched it,
And
we are going to
and
react to
if
it.
there is a series that is recommended a lot, and if we have already watched it, we will do a
Yeah,
recap. We will do a
recap.
recap. We will do the
Yeah, no
recap for you
problem.
guys. It's fine.
Revisit. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Anything you guys want, we can drop it for you guys.
Yeah,
Just
for you
say it,
guys.
we will drop it. Just say it, we will drop it.
Yes.
So it's
On the high
finally,
demand, anything on high demand will work it.
we always do that. So
Yeah.
anything you guys want, anything, we will react to it from now on. And it will be always like on our Patreon also. It will be decided by the audience what things we will be reacting on.
We
So
might drop the polls also of
polls,
which you
yeah,
wanna,
which you
yeah,
guys wanna. So I will be keeping, and we will be keeping the prices very low, because this
yeah.
is
Very
not
well.
for the money grab. This is just so we can post the things
Post
without
our
getting copyrighted,
reaction.
blocked,
Oh
and
my
everything.
god.
It's not a money grab, seriously. And
Legit.
we will make a sections for different series and everything. And we have a lot of videos already ready, so we will post that
Ready.
for now. And then
Mm-hmm.
we will already start to give our reaction on things that you guys are mentioning in the comments.
Yeah. And also for our old subscribers, our Kimjir episode 1 was posted, but we cannot post the further episodes. So now all these episodes will be available in the Patreon. But note that there might few episodes, I think 2 episodes.
2 or 3 episodes might be missing because we didn't
No, I
record
think
the
only
two.
two.
No,
I
three.
think we do.
Three.
Okay, three. Whatever, two or three, not more than three. This three episode you might not get the reactions, because we have already seen the episode behind the scenes off camera. But don't worry, all the part, all the ending, and the real fun, which is going to start in Khemjira, is what we are going to react together. So I think that would be more fun.
That will be more fun, and we will finally be reacting to everything, everything, whatever
Everything,
we want. MVs, any T-pop, anything you guys want,
anything. Yes,
anything
yes,
you
yes,
guys
yes,
want
yes.
related to BL. We will be reacting
Yeah,
to all of that. So I
yes.
think this announcement was pretty. I'm sorry if we clickbaited you into this, but
Yeah.
it's a big announcement for us and for you guys also. So I think this will be it for this
For this
announcement
video.
video. And
Yeah,
please
yeah.
support us. We will provide you, like, we will make your money worth. It's not like anything
Yeah,
like that.
our reactions, our energy is a lot. So
A
yeah.
lot, yeah. So I think this will be it for this video, and please look forward to our new things, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.